ChatGPT is opening up a completely new advertising channel, and if you're looking to build an AI marketing business, this could be one of those opportunities worth getting in early. The interesting part isn't simply that ads are coming to ChatGPT, it's where those ads can appear, directly inside a conversation where someone is already asking questions, comparing options, researching products, or trying to solve a specific problem. That creates a very different advertising environment from traditional social media or search ads. So in this video, we're going to look at how big this opportunity could be, how ChatGPT ads actually work, what businesses are the best fit, what services you could offer as an AI marketing agency, and how you can start testing this before the market becomes crowded. Let's start with the actual update. On August 11th, ChatGPT announced the expansion of ads into multiple countries, including the United Kingdom, Mexico, Brazil, and Japan. After initially testing and launching the feature in the United States in March, the rollout is continuing, so other countries are expected to follow as the advertising system expands globally. So how does this actually work? Imagine someone opens ChatGPT and starts having a conversation about a specific problem. They might spend several minutes comparing different products, asking about features, looking at alternatives, and trying to figure out which solution is right for them. At some point, ChatGPT can show an advertisement that is relevant to the conversation. And that's what makes this particularly interesting for advertisers. This isn't just someone scrolling through a social media feed and seeing a random ad. The person has already told the AI what they're interested in through the conversation. They've potentially spent several minutes researching and comparing options. So when a relevant business appears at that point, the traffic can be much higher intent. We've already seen a similar shift happening with GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization, where people are increasingly discovering businesses and products through AI recommendations instead of relying entirely on traditional search results. ChatGPT ads take that idea one step further by putting paid advertising directly into an AI-driven discovery experience. Now here's where the business opportunity comes in. At the moment, this is still a very new advertising channel, especially in markets where the rollout has only just started. That means there are relatively few agencies that have already built real expertise around ChatGPT advertising, and that's exactly why moving early can matter. If you learn the platform now, run your own campaigns, understand the targeting, test different creatives and offers, and collect real performance data, you could eventually turn that knowledge into an AI marketing service for businesses. Instead of waiting until every traditional marketing agency starts offering the same thing, you can learn the system while it's still developing. So who can actually be targeted? ChatGPT ads are designed for eligible logged-in adult users on the free and go tiers. Users on Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise plans are excluded from these ads. The targeting itself is also interesting. Ads can be relevant to the user's active conversation, and in certain situations, previous chat context can also be used when the user has opted into previous ad interactions. Basic location signals can also play a role. That means advertisers can potentially reach people based on what they're actively discussing, rather than relying only on broad demographic targeting. And yes, that level of contextual targeting raises obvious privacy questions. OpenAI has said that advertisers don't receive users' private memory files, ad transcripts, or personal data. Instead, advertisers receive aggregated information rather than the underlying personal conversation data. There are also categories that are excluded from advertising, including health and mental health, politics, and targeting people under 18. Now let's talk about the businesses that could benefit the most from this. B2B software is an obvious fit because people constantly use ChatGPT to compare software, research tools, and find solutions for business problems. Financial services can also be relevant, along with travel and hospitality, education, and training. These are all areas where customers naturally spend time researching before making a decision. Someone might ask ChatGPT which software is best for their company, which destination they should visit, which course they should take, or what type of financial service might fit their needs. Those conversations create valuable opportunities for businesses. But this isn't automatically a good fit for everyone. If a business has a very small advertising budget, weak conversion tracking, or a poor landing page, sending more traffic won't magically fix those problems. Before running these campaigns, the business needs a clear offer, proper tracking, and a landing page that can actually convert visitors into leads or customers. Now let's talk numbers. A rough reference point mentioned here is around $3 to $5 per click, although actual costs can vary depending on the campaign, audience, audience, competition, and other factors. As a simple example, a $5,000 budget at that range could potentially buy around 1,000 to 2,600 clicks. Again, that's an illustration based on the estimated CPC range, not a guaranteed result. For businesses that are already comfortable with paid traffic acquisition, an initial testing budget of around $5,000 to $10,000 per month could be considered, but this isn't something I would recommend blindly spending on day one. The smarter approach is to test, measure the results, understand the economics, and then scale what works. And there's another reason this is interesting. If someone discovers your business through an AI conversation, they may already have been educated before they even reach your website. They've potentially asked questions, compared alternatives, and built some understanding of the problem and the solution. That can make the traffic more valuable than completely cold traffic. In fact, the original agency experience behind this example found that people who discovered the agency through ChatGPT were more likely to convert during sales calls. In other words, the AI conversation had already helped nurture the prospect before they reached the business. Now imagine turning that into a service. You could help businesses set up their ChatGPT advertising campaigns, identify the right audience and use cases, create and test ads, track conversions, optimize landing pages, and analyze the results. You could specialize in one industry instead of trying to serve everyone. For example, you could build an agency specifically around B2B SaaS companies, or focus on education businesses, travel companies, financial services, or another niche where AI-driven research is already common. Specializing makes it easier to understand the customer's buying journey and build repeatable campaigns. But don't start by trying to sell this service to everyone. First, learn the platform yourself. Go to the ChatGPT advertising platform and create a campaign. Add your advertising details, launch a controlled test, and learn how the system behaves. Test different messages, audiences, and offers, then track what happens. Once you've learned the process, you can approach businesses you already work with and offer them a pilot. You could tell an existing client that this is a new advertising channel and propose testing it together with a controlled budget. That gives you real-world data and, if the results are good, a case study you can use when approaching future clients. This is also why acting early can be valuable. You don't need to know everything on day one. You need to start learning while the platform is still new, understand what works, and build experience before the market becomes crowded with agencies offering the same service. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe for more AI business opportunities, practical AI tools, and ways to turn new technology into real income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.